Are we live? Let me check. Yeah, it seems like it is. Okay, so hello guys. Well, I'm Makars. I made Blockbuster mod, and this stream is dedicated basically to uh, starting out the development of the new BBS mod. So BBS mod is gonna be the new uh, like Blockbuster-like mod, which is gonna be like revolutionize the machinima creation. It's gonna be based on BBS Studio. Oh, forgot. It's gonna be based on BBS Studio, which is basically the application that I was working on. Kind of like should probably show it. Um, just quick glance of what the tools are. It's launching. So basically, it's gonna be this new, completely different, not completely different, but it's a new way to make machinimas, like the animated videos. It has like a single tool that has camera in it, actors, and all of this can be made directly from here. So this is the goal, at least for the base version, and then we'll go on and add more features. So I want to address a couple of things before I'm gonna start actual like work, as in like developing here. So, oh, I should have not closed that. So a couple of things. First, it's very important that you're gonna hold your expectations. The development will take probably a long time, and it would probably be boring and slow, but in a couple of months we'll have like an actual like probably working like minimum viable product. So just like minimal version that can be used already to create some kind of videos, but it's not gonna be like full feature wise as with Blockbuster mod. Second thing is I haven't used much Fabric. I've read a lot about it. I've seen the documentation, and um, and it's much better from what I saw from the community, from the documentation than Forge. Forge, with my experience, I didn't really mod it after 1.16, but it's much was unstable. It's volatile. They changed features for no reason. For example, they moved from ASM to for another point to explain, but they changed a lot of stuff that broke mods for I think no reason. So that's why I want to try Fabric, and from what I've seen, it's a really good uh, alternative for Forge. Besides that, it has a lot of optimization mods, so that's why I picked it. Also, as I said earlier, I'm gonna base it on BBS Studio, the app, so it's not completely from scratch. So it's don't like, ooh, it's a it's insane. But yeah, I'm gonna copy a lot of code and adapt it to work in Fabric. And finally, today's goal is to make really basic player recording system work. So I could have basically a keybind that I can press, and then it's gonna record, and it would like all output to console something, and then if you press another key, it's gonna play back that character. So at least if it can work, this if I can get it work on the stream, that would be pretty big baby step if you can say like that. So yeah, I see there's a lot of messages. I'm gonna address them, just showing you that it's actually like Minecraft and it's like loading stuff here. Music. Okay, let's see. Go good day, sir, sir. Toastler. Hey, Toastler. Vizoi, hello everyone. Hey, hello, hello. I see a lot of check marks. Hi guys. So we're getting Blockbuster Mod 2, technically. Not technically, because Blockbuster Mod had a second version. The last version is 2.3.4. No, just 2.6.1, I think. A lot of people asking for a Sigma. I don't know. I don't know. If I'm wait for the diet, we have Neo4 now. Yes, I'm aware of that, but it's still not. Still doesn't erase the mistrust I have. Sorry. I consider using quilts for fabric. I don't know what's the point of it if there is fabric. Will there be will be the version of will what will be the version of Minecraft 1.20.4? Hello, Macor's big brain developer who changed Minecraft machine. Thanks. It seems interesting. Yes. Be respectful to horse. So yeah, there's a lot of Russian messages. I can understand them, but I think it's would be wise the to be in English. Can try archery. Um, Not at the moment. I don't think it's too early to. I don't think it's a good idea to have both. Um, by the way, Makars, what made you return to us? I described the motivation on the Discord server. There is a long message. I could link it. But essentially, a couple of reasons. Well, first is primarily it's kind of insane that I've seen like a lot of people complaining about like there's some bugs. Like for example, Animal Maze had issues um, with freezes because he has so many models, and every time he wants to animate a keyframe, he has to basically wait for 10 seconds. Then there was problems with the workflow with the models, like how you have to, if you have body parts, you have to go through the cascades of the menus. Then also I realized that nobody wants BBS Studio just like that, so that these are one of these. Just curious, Aperture Modern Build. Yes, that's correct. I'm from I am from Japan. I always use Blockbuster to make my videos. Thank you for making the best mod. I will continue for you. Thank you. So yeah, let's start with the development actual process. I'll be reading later as well. I hope I didn't miss anything, but since there's a lot of messages, I might have missed some. So the first thing I want to do is to add a keybind. So I already have here Fabric Wiki opened, and I think somewhere there was a keybind related. So custom keybinds. So from what it looks like, it's really easy to do. So all I need to do is in the client part of the mod is to add the key binding. So at the moment I need two key bindings. Which one of them? Yes, this one. So one is would be play, and the other one is the record. Now I can register both of these as. By the way, is the volume is okay? There's somewhere here. It is. How is the volume? Is it too loud? Too? Also, I hope that it will be pretty useful for um, for people to have like maybe as a modern reference. I don't know. Key example. So be it was play. So this is basically the registering of the keybind. So let's see, binds, registering, binding, key, BBS mode. R, I think R is for. So let's say R is for recording, and the same thing I need for the play. And it's gonna be like a G. So that is how you register it. Now I have to find the way how to, so since 1 point. Okay. So for now it looks like I'm just copy and pasting. That's because that's just really basic stuff. So while it's play, same thing with record. Just to see whether record and play. No, it was so now let's see if it works. Let's see. The problem with Minecraft modding is that I mean it's not a big problem, but you have to wait every time for significant change. You have to restart the Minecraft basically. It usually, I remember with Forge, it took longer, but now I don't know what they did, but they pretty much improved the loading time. So let's see whether probably no, I did. So controls, keybind. So I have here these keys. So that works. Let's see if I press. While it's pressed. So if I hold, it actually continues pressing. Is there a way to have it only once? Let's see. Press. Was pressed while. Let's see if the documentation has anything to say about that. Sticky key as also can be created. New sneak. Maybe that's what the problem is. Sticky. That's actually a very nice feature. the new Java edition. Oh wow, the message wasn't loading for some reason. Hello, Macors. BBS will have just separate library, or will it have several mods to complement its current? It's gonna be all in one thing. I am Japanese and I very frequently use Blockbuster. Thank you. Just put on purchase. There has a camera there. Thank you for a nice mod. Thank you. Why not something like architecture API? Well, I don't know, because the problem is if I'm gonna do both, I'll probably be just, I guess, dealing with more problems than I should. Here for now. Uh, yeah, I think it's not a big deal if I, but let me double check. Declare one of these fabric the definition takes and define particular can. Stickies can also be created with key binding helper in vanilla. So it accepts only one thing. There is no way to make it. Is that a setting maybe I have problem with? No, it's on skins, controls. How to jump off key bindings. Press E and hold. It works the same way. Um, which all right, then I guess it's a vanilla behavior. So I just gotta be careful because in 1.12 there is no such problem. Donate on Patreon. Link somebody just I don't know how whether it's possible, but let's see if I can do that. Oh, I can pin it. Hey, thank you for the suggestion. So yeah, the key is done now. The other one there. Now, what I need to do is probably create an actor entity. The way in Blockbuster it works, you have an entity that basically playbacks the actions, the ones that you recorded. So here is also very, you see, that's why it's I picked Fabric. They have so many resources to like just start out. Look at how many pages there is, and they are not, and these people like maintain all of this up to date. There is no such thing for Forge. Like that's a big thing. If you want to do something for Forge, at least back in the days, and last time I checked, they have a small wiki, but it's like nothing compared to these. And they also have it in other languages. Like look at that. That's why Fabric is Pog. I'm down for 50, but this. Oh, so was it you who donated earlier? Because it still didn't come true, but I saw somebody donated that. So thank you very much. Um, so yeah, let's start with Zenzi. Thank you, man. Not Forge, but Neo4j. Does he read chat? I do read chat, but just there's some amounts. I mean, there's a lot of messages. The problem is if I'm gonna be just reading the chat, I'm probably gonna spend the entire uh, time reading the chat because there's so many. I appreciate uh, what's the word? The activity, and the attention, but I gotta work on it, on the thing. So for entity, there is a lot of types. I need probably the one for a living one. Um, Actor entity. So it said extends living entity. Does work? Iterable, what's that? That should be get, I think it's item stack.empty. For now, there will be no stacks arm, I think. Primary arm dot right. I think the right is the default one. So basically, leaving has a default functions that have to be implemented, like the armor slots, the ones that are equipped item for this given slot, and then equip the stack. Stack is basically the item plus how much and the additional data. Um, this is before house rent. I'll adjust it more when you go up. Thank you. Also, many popular YouTubers. Yeah, because they need mod. Yay. What's new mod about? It's basically like Blockbuster, but better and more specialized. But I mean for video instead of being like all in different directions, I guess. How are you and what's the mod? It's BBS mod. It's basically gonna be like Blockbuster mod but different. I mean, not different completely, but like it's the approach you make videos different. I'm gonna show you how it works in the end once I'm doing it. I'm trying to add an entity that will act as an actor. Wow, act as an actor. So I created, then I need to uh, register it here. Oh no, that's mixing. Let's see, cube entity. It was actor entity. Will the new mod only for 1.1 or will be for other versions like 1.16? It's gonna be only for new versions, like 1.20, and if I'll be finished and there will be 1.21, then I would switch to that. It's gonna be actor. That is doing. Why do you use that robot voice in your videos? You can speak English like now. Because it's easier, like, and the quality is much better. At least the quality of the audio, not the pronunciation stuff. So it's actor entity. This will be for the newest version of microphones released. Yeah, at the moment it's 1.20.4. Cube actor. Okay. What you don't like about it? Because that's what's public. So now it's a new entity. I'm not sure whether that's it. Let's see. It is neither the reason or rendered function. So register an entity render. The last one is the renderer. Let's see. Yeah, it looked pretty good. So now I need to register the renderer. I'll need a texture. I'm gonna use the default one for now. So in the client section, choose the most client, just client, and here renderer and actor entity. What's the name of it was here? Cube entity renderer. So let's see how player does that. Player entity. It's a living entity. Okay, that's good. May, client may both hide macros just like Buster server again, but available on a platform such as Crossford or Modriv. I think as long as it's not there is no exclusivity clause on either, I can host on both. There is no problem with that, I think. Just player entity render. It's where the stuff happening. So entity living entity render, player entity model. Who are you? Yeah. All right. So it's extends living entity render. The generic types. This model be only for Fabric or Forger, both. Fabric. At least at the moment. I'm not sure whether, like, at the moment it's just Fabric. So extends. So it needs a living entity and the model. So living entity is the actor entity. And then the other one is, I need this. So player entity model. Let's see if that works. Probably not gonna work. The texture. It's for. But what else do you want? Okay. Model. I don't think I need a model, but I'm gonna create it here. What do you need here? Model part root. Nice. I'm happy that you started making new microphone. Thank you. Currently working on a machinima agent, but can't wait to use the new versions. You'd have to it's called like set up again. Fabric doesn't support lots of texture packs. Just wait and it'll be okay. Like Optifine, BBS to the top. Fabric is the best content creator. Yes, Fabric has a lot of cool stuff. The optimization mods are incredible. I think there is also a really cool mod called Invidium. It allows you to have like an insane render distance. Of course, you need like NVIDIA graphics card, but it's insane what you can do. Like there's 96 render chunk distance and works like 260 FPS when you have like I don't know 3060. Insane. So that's why, because Forge has lots of mods, yes, and the probably the monopoly, but for Fabric is really goated. Allows animation options that Fabric allows. I'm not sure what you're talking about, but I guess yeah. Okay, back to so player and check get part slim, and I'll just I'll just copy with slim. So if I copy this, what's gonna happen? So it's not slim. Let's just say player and not slim. So what? Will it only be a blockbuster or will it be automatic aperture? BBS Studio includes itself um, new kind of system for like kind of like in Blockbuster, which uses keyframes instead of morphs. Then there is Aperture, also improved version, which has camera clips. It's basically instead of having like the tracks on the bottom, you have like vertical flexibility. Um, there is Chameleon mod, which is integral part of BS Studios, so it also comes with that. Snowstorm particles also from Blockbuster mod, but the basic version, not with all the cryfy additions, because I don't know how they work. The files, the film system of BBS is so good, yes. What about Mapit? This was included too? No. Um, Mapit is not for. I want only to make at the moment the filming stuff. If people would want to see um, Mapit too, then if they would want to support it financial, then sure, I don't mind. But if just if you like just from my willingness just to do it for free, then I guess it's not gonna happen. I ain't gonna lie, I have no idea the difference between Fabric and Fudge. I'm just glad that it's happening in Lamau. Yeah, thanks, Ray. Loop system is my favorite thing about BBS. Obviously still early, but it's planned to add that too. Yes, yes, the plan is to move BBS Studio to Minecraft first, then I'm gonna work on features that are missing from core features that are missing from mods, like like damage control, action system with like you can like place blocks and stuff, and etc. And emoticons, for example. Um, okay, I'm distracted too much by the chat. I mean, I appreciate, but it's, work has to be done. Okay, so there's a renderer. Player well, that's not what I need. I needed player renderer. So there are features are basically layers all. The render, I think that's fine. Position offset. Get on pause. The texture. So I need the texture for sure. Scale. I got that yank that because at least for the moment, because if I'm gonna just draw G, because I'm gonna to just copy, it's gonna be bigger basically. Build to create a pose with a block by bone. I'm not sure what that means. At the moment, I just need a really basic actor like rendering. It's not the final. It's just to see if stuff is present. I'm just seeing whether what I need else is falling. Wait, there's a kind of falling. Oh wait, it's not launched. So now I think I have all this. Oh, this what is the path? Can you tell me where is it? Let's see, assets, Minecraft, textures, entity player. So I'm gonna screenshot it for now. Okay. Fire from new identifier. It's gonna be Minecraft. So Minecraft textures, entity player, y.png. Right click, copy password. Well, too late. Wide Steve. Now I need to um register it. Yeah, let's just try first this. So it goes to the client. Keybind shenanigans. I don't know how to spell that word, so I'm just gonna actor and entity renders. Microsoft Paradise. Yes, I love Microsoft Paradise. It's was mob no BBS mod actor entity. Actor entity renderer. Shadow radius, I think. Just do that. Then you can touch Minecraft sources so that you don't have to look at the compiled code. I've seen this section, but for now, it's fine for now. Isn't that basically the Minecraft code? Look, what's called the names are fine. What it can do, but I prefer ShareX to pin an image. I don't have it, so it's okay. Okay, models we have. So in 1.17 use, oh, so it's for model layer registry. What's that? Get textured model parts. Is that something I missed? Okay, let's just yell it. I think that's should work. Could be wrong. Better light is not my course. Yeah, I'm not. Wait, no, it's not by my card. It depends on the creator to update it. It's already. Oh, I have an idea. I should read the chat when it's loading Minecraft. Yanis, I'm the creator. It's Luna. Yes, that's Yanis, the moderator. He's moderator because he couldn't post the comment on the video that I made about better lights. So yeah, I think I also should add to Kirkus. Okay. Will there be more possibilities? Message retracted. Okay. All right. Let's see. What about it's probably needs a spawning? No. It's summon. BBS actor. Unable to summon. Let's see what the error is. Minecraft attribute default container get value. Can walk. Okay, let's see. What did I forget? My man. There's literally nothing. Maybe it's Oh, probably I forgot this. My bad. What do you create mod attributes? Okay, let's see what player returns. What attributes? Wow, that's a long. Oh man, it's not that long. For now, I'm just copying because not copying as in copy on, but I guess double return. What don't you like about it? But yeah, I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Wait, didn't what did I do? Mm, okay, I think I also messed up here. Leave my cars as alive, kill fudge. What? No. Create actor attributes, living attributes. Some generic time speed. That's too many digits. How did it go, Mr. Targa? Apologize, too many syllables. Too many syllables, apologize. Yeah, that's nice. Generic attack speed and generic clock. Okay, let's see if that works. And I probably I don't need a command for. I mean, let's see. Would there be more possibilities with particles, such as chameleon particles exported from piles? I don't know what that means, but it doesn't support shader packs. Iris, there is Iris mod that supports shader packs. Not all of them, but some, like the good ones. Not the good ones, but like the main ones, like complementary and BSL, I think. If better lights and boss merge, Minecraft would later becomes the animation engine of choice. It already was, but now it's but I don't think that would be that's true because um hello the little man. This guy. Oh, I didn't. What's up? Um why does is there name tag? It's peaceful. Yeah, kill everyone. Okay, so the actor is here, but now there is this thing. And I don't know how. But what I was talking about, as you can see, I'm Steve, and if you don't scale, that's how tall is actually Steve. Steve is usually, let me see. So he's scaled by this number. This is supposed to be a ratio. You see if there's one block, and if you multiply it by 1.9375, so basically Steve is 6 and something feet tall. Like if you imagine that a block is 1 meter, like 1 meter cubed. So let's see where in the player the scale is applied. No, it's the wrong one. It's player interior render scale. That's on the placement. There's no way. No way. Scale. Bruh, then where is it scaled? Not here, in the player model? Not here. Think maybe there is some. So activate render. I paused Minecraft already. Um, If better lights and both merge, Minecraft literally become the animation engine of choice. I think you would also need like some kind of like shader mod into one thing, then yeah. But I don't think just better lights by themselves would warrant such label. What is your opinion about quilt and other fabric forks? I don't know. I don't really have an opinion about it. Did this initiative come with the light engine rework on 1.20? No, it's from other reasons that I already told. It's basically because I think Blockbuster sucks. People, I mean, there's other reasons beside that, but I think that's the main one. One of the main ones. Stain mod created all stain contrast. Yeah, no, I'd be coding. Yes, we will wait for new Blockbuster now. How it's going. Hi. Of course, you want to make this mod paid? I don't think that's gonna work. The EULA, yes. I think it's supposed to sell mods. It's Luna says. Well, so there's two problems. There's this label. I don't know where it came from. So I think it's probably somewhere here, maybe. Let's see what also. It's rendering. Oh, there is still that mouse sport. That's so cool. I thought they would remove it at one point, but they still support his ears. No? Hmm. So render label if present. What is the text? Text. So this is not, or is it? Is that the name? No way. Okay, let's see also if I can just scale here. But why? So where's there? Oh, it's another G. GG. um, let's see if it works. I don't understand why there is this label, but there's at least that mouse is a legend. Yes. Have a nice stream. Thank you. Thank you for this, man. We are so back. Indeed, we're so back. It's not so over. So I tried to add block in body parts, but it doesn't look like original idle animation where Enderman holds the block. Man, that's not the kind of stream to ask the question here. You have a good voice, really. Why do you hide it? I'm cringe because I think this is the name. So let's try this theory by taking anvil and name tag. and calling him Bob, for example. Why? Why is it there? Oh, I know why. Like, look at this. That's why. Hmm. I know what the problem was. Bruh. That's what it's. So, let's see. Player. Where's player entity? Is there a way to see what it's called? So, serve player entity. It's fine. What I want to see is local variable declaration method using class. Who are you? Oh, it's it's fabric code. Can you create a Japanese channel on Makoto's Discord? I can, but I don't think there's a lot of people there who speak Japanese. I could try. Me too. Hi, how was the interview with the Russian dude? How was the interview with the Russian? With oh, this one fine. Thanks for asking. Hello, Bobby. You're short. Yes, Bob is short. Short king. So these seems like the default. Um, so these are not named. Probably what Yanis was talking about, that there is no names. So I would assume that 1.6 must be the width slash, and I think this should be 1.8f. So now I have an actor entity, but now I need to also figure out how to, wait, is he the same height? Yeah. Um, hey Bob. How do you make first says quickly and condition something? Course neuron activation. Well, of course, I thought I'm watching PewDiePie. PewDiePie. I don't remember how it goes. So scaled. His name tag. So it's called from here. Has label. My man, that's exactly what I need. Developing VS, teaching coding modes. Ah, both. Add the little actor for this hitbox like Easter egg. Nah. People get confused when they see that egg. Hi, Bob. My heart big brain mom. Living entity is not. So this, in theory, should have worked. Like, why? That's not the entity. I'm not looking at him. Let's try restarting. First, are you sure that separation of the project on client and server is useful? I don't know, it's just came like this. I don't know. I don't want to break it right now. It is true that this wonderful model not well known to Japanese people. It should be more recognized in Japan as well. As far as I know, oh no, sorry, I didn't mean. So Bob's is always. Why is it always true? Is this because of this? No. Is it because of this? No. This is because of this. Minecraft nauticals Minecraft. Okay, so I think I need. Oh wait. Um, I think if I gonna summon another, yes. Hmm. So what I need to do is probably as label. Because the distance um, and living entity has custom, or it was what that was in the entity render. This is the dispatcher. I found the. Can I have it? What CC stands for? CC for the picture, by the way. Content creator, like YouTuber, because you see, I wanted first to name it YouTuber, but then I remember that there are also people who does like Bilibili and then TikTok and stuff like that. That's why it's called content creator. Good luck, Bob. Bob will visit you. Did like I just said a random name. Set custom name visible is true, perhaps. I think it's this one. It has label. Maybe I've talked, but have you thought about making a free and paid version of for the new BBS? Paid could unlock more extensive functionalities. Will there be a Muppet for this version? No Muppet. Sorry. It's too much. Think it's way itself or think Minecraft. Axiom does with their server version, but I don't know if Macross wants to sell one. I don't think there's much. Oh, now it works. Almost. So ask custom name, but it doesn't have. So this. I guess like that and custom name. Yeah. Mm. Okay, now we have an actor that can be replayed. Um. Okay. This was the easiest part. Now it's gonna get harder. So now what you need to do is copy some code from BBS Studio, specifically responsible for. Let's see, it was replay. I think. Oh boy, that's gonna be fun. Mm, that's gonna be client stuff. Wait, with this project, I don't really. Yeah, compact middle packages. I like that. No, wait, I kind of need it right now. Um, so here I'll have to replace so entity, I guess it's new package film. Now I need to import all of this stuff. So um, So form properties is, I don't need this right now. Replay has form. I don't need this, and properties, I don't need this. Now I'm gonna copy the part that is responsible for specifically like recording and what's called, so recording and playing back the recorded data on the actor. Good development time, thank you. Astamir? I don't know how to pronounce, sorry. What is this a surfing? Nah, it's fine. Making my own animation right now, so boring. I turned high rules off. Looks correct now, yes, and then hover. So you're gonna use Gclip or your own thing. I'm gonna use my own thing. Royale skins to look like it came out of CCP. It's supposed to be like a crash test dummy. It's like, you know, the guy who is used for I don't know what it's called. 1 second. Group. Oh boy. Hmm. So film and settings. Merge settings here. I don't need UI yet. I need values. Thread, no. Manager, no. Oh, what happened? Thread, no. Builder, no. Settings, also no. Block link, no. Boolean. For now, I just need to think keyframe channel. It's another thing. Base type. Oh. See, I think the data API. Master context. So here. Did it have like a stroke or something? That's now. Will there be any dude, I'm so behind on the things that I really miss aperture, but let's see. There will be aperture because it's part of BBS Studio. Um, it's updating, so I guess I have time to. You should find the normal blockbench. Yeah, 2 p.m. for me and export it. Will there be any blockbuster minimum aperture features that will not be part of BBS mod? Any features that are after I quit, so it was after 2.3.4, I think, will probably not be added. Then, so that means shader curves, the immersive editor, it's not gonna be a thing because there'll be different feature which is kind of better. You'll see. I don't know which else, like BB gun, I think not at first. I'm glad to hear that Gecko is overrated. It's okay if you know what you're doing. Just get a wow, take some time. Some reason cannot find. Oh boy. Problem solved? Come on, dude. So many actions just for Enderman to hold block and run with normal Enderman. Yeah, that's how Minecraft modding goes. Where did Blockbuster come from? Name come from of no. Where did the name Blockbuster come from? Well, like blockbuster movies, you know? How exactly will banners from the $50 Patreon tier work? I didn't quite understand to be honest. So basically, imagine like that's probably a bad example. So imagine like there is like a window that's new what's called the menu. Then there would be the icons like film editor and configuration. The main panel like is one that is open, so it would be like kind of like welcome. Then there would be like a button to like watch tutorials because it's usefully like to have resources like Discord. Then there would be then like thank you, thank you. There would be like names and stuff like that. And then first there would be like, for example, uh, let's say this is a margin. There would be like 3 rows, and there would be like Mr. Beast, for example. And then it would be his like banner, and it's like that. Then there would be I don't know like PewDiePie, and there would be another. And of course there would be like margins. It's not gonna be ugly like this. And then like Ito, but there'd be another banner, and so on. And then after all these banners, there'll be also like tons of names. Will you make the action keyframes like Blockbench? I'm not sure what you're talking about, Mr. Beast. Yeah, yeah, I'm just like, just in case Mr. Beast watching. Just messing around. So that's how I think it would be. It's not final, but I think that's how it would be. Hey, now it's fixed. Let's see. So I think the problem is here with during importing it broke. It broke. Mr. Beast is watching, guys, so just know. Sure. Forget Elon. Yes, Elon Musk. I didn't know Elon Musk doesn't list. Well, the least. He's on all time record to make deal with Minecraft. What? That's your typical programming experience. Because IntelliJ screwed up importing. What do you have problems with? Okay, so so dumb. Uh, you should make your own Blockbench plugin for Blockbuster. What? What does that even mean? Why? My car equals Mr. Beast. Sure. Dude, it really screwed up. That's fine. So I found an easier way just to download another Morphin mod and record parts with it. Okay, you do you. That is really convenient that they have. His head like a frog now. Yes, belly chubby. Mac belly chubby. Okay, this is the most fun part. Mac frog, yes. Mac frogger. Okay, did it change anything? No, I first. So here I need more code. Yay. It was utils and hmm. Oh boy. No, 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 no. Where did it go? What did they do? Wait. Where did the folder go? Where? So I need a string utils, then it was the IO utils. Ah, sorry. Why didn't you use domains called Makars? Oh, because Makars is the dummy. I don't know, it's just shorter. Does understand there will be a blockbuster of frogs inside evidence in blockbuster? There will be what? A lot. No, it won't be. I mean there will be frogs because it's a new Minecraft server. Oh boy. Oh boy. Thank you. That's fine. This is fine. And this is fine. And this is not fine yet. Oh boy. I'm gonna do I have to point it out because wait. You know what? I'm not gonna use it yet. Was I don't know which one I need. So for replay, what was the stuff I needed for replay to work? I need a value group, gloop, keyframes. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Keyframes. Since details, keyframes. Value form details. Think living entity. Um, that's colorful frog with version 1.20.4 fabric. No way, serious? Yes. First time actually seeing a stream of yours live. I had a lot of live streams. But I understand, yes. Bro, which version? 1.20.4 fabric. I mean, it says 1.20 on the screen on the top left. What are you talking about? Where? That's big. That's a branch. It's what's called. I didn't remove yet the git uh, from the template. Apply property. That also goes for now. There's no properties that I can apply yet. The keyframes. It doesn't like it because it's a value group here. Oh, there are more problems, dude. Bad. So even though I have the code, imagine like, yeah, it takes some time, but imagine now writing that all from scratch. That takes a serious amount of time. And I spent the last 2.5 perfecting this basically. Collection details. I'm grabbing some code off from the other screen. Keep doing. See you tomorrow. Thanks, Macars. Will you still have the live or just today? If you're talking about the archive, then it would be archived. If you're talking about whether it's just today's stream, no, I'm gonna do probably once I'm finished with these tasks that I gave myself today. Um, I'm going to basically plan the next step and polish anything I have. Be honest, okay. Speaking of versions, where does the change mood from? He always seems against the idea of making 1.18, 19, 20 US version. Um, Let me think about it. Oh, damn, that's deep. So you have to manage. Um, the thing is, since I didn't really consider that much doing it with the BBS Studio, so once I considered that, that was kind of much easier than doing porting exactly blockbuster mode. See, I have a lot of like in blockbuster, in BBS Studio, I have lots of code that is not as heavy tied down as Blockbuster's mode. Plus, I wrote a lot of bad code for Blockbuster, and that's why it's unmaintainable and it's really hard to port because I had less experience. Yes, that's kind of why. One of the reasons. Speaking of versions, what is? Oh wait, it's already read it. To be honest, still learning how to use the mod correctly. It's been fun with it. I'm glad to hear that. You have two monitors? Yes. Me too. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Anyways, there's more problems. I have problems here. So this, no, come on, mod interpolations. Ah, yes, my favorite package. The math. Man, there's gonna be a lot of code to fix. Will you be supporting my BBS mod with upgrades after initial launch? If people will be supporting funding, yes. For now, then. For now, I'm just gonna remove it, and I don't need it yet. Probably should leave it to do. I'm gonna move it to here for now. Okay, so what was that? Simplifier, it's fine. Interpolations, ooh. The UI keys. Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna remove it and then add later. Because there's no UI yet. Let's see. So again, the UI stuff has to wait. I'll have to not forget to remove to add it back later. And can you use fabric features to like shaders a lot more easier than Forge? I don't know. I didn't exactly explore it. Bandok says, "Are you rewriting to a new version?" I'm not rewriting. I'm porting Bluebuster Studio application that I made. You can use your own math or Jumble. Jumble I'm gonna use. How long do you estimate the project to take? I think 4 months is the minimum like possible, like in the best case scenario. I think that's my opinion, but I don't know exactly how much. I would say the worst case, in my opinion, is like I don't know, maybe 12 months. I'll be waiting for a new BB. Now I have to go write a course for. Good luck, guys. Good luck to you too. Um, let's see. So now I hope to see some of these getting fixed. No. So, but probably at least. Oh, there's more broken stuff. So yeah, the think for this I don't need to. I need to at least fix the generic keyframes. It is okay. Maybe is it? What's the problem? Oh, there it is. So for now, this is also goes to do. And I don't think yet I need this all. The faster than expected, to be honest. So that means my current movie will be my last blockbuster 1.12 point. Mean. What reason to call it? It's IntelliJ. I don't know what it says, where I can. IntelliJ Community Edition. I just watched the series created with the Blaster mod, by the way. I'm still amazed at how you did it. I didn't make the series, probably. But if you're talking about Blockbuster mod, yeah, I am amazed too, to be honest. No calf. uh, so let's go and see if there are some forms. Let's first clean up keyframes. Still. So while the group is working, it's gonna be living entity. Basic components, no. That's what I have to like entity position x, whatever x, get x. That's how you get the position. Pose.x. Now we're doing some work. Finally. Entity.velocity. Dirty modified get velocity. X. Y and Z. Entity get fall distance. Safely. Limit fall distance. It's probably the one that public cloud fall distance. Map it won't be on BBS, right? Does this mean it will be does this mean it will be ported to 1.12? I mean, does that mean that it won't? Probably won't, I would say. You guys, the real McCord has to be him. Really? No. That's too much. He's sneaking. He's grounded. He's ground. Entity rotation. Vector. Body yeah. Yeah. Body yeah. Head yeah. Thing head yeah. Entity pitch. Looks like this one. Entity get body. Okay, this is not necessary. It's not even used in VBS Studio itself. What you don't like about it? Why? This is a keyframe channel. Oh, no wonder it doesn't work. Um, now it works. Leaving entity. Entity set position. Okay, let's see if it actually set position bounding box. Yeah, that's fine. Basically, I wanted to check whether it's teleports or actually changes the position, because differences between changing position, that means that it's gonna be like just move, but if I'm gonna instead of changing the position, it's gonna teleport, it's not gonna look good. Velocity. Wow, I don't know if I need to change some of these things. Um, will it have OBJ models? Kinda, yes. Blockbuster Studio supports OBJ models through Blockbench. How long does it take to develop mod for version 1.20? I said earlier it's 4 to 12 months, depending on the. I think that's what the range is. By the way, will you use Minecraft features like display entities? I don't know exactly what they do. Can you shed a light on it? Yeah. Will more fun and speed up the development or just support you? Um, think both. Set sneaking and the entity that grounded. Set on ground. Okay, I would need to do this. Wait, it means. No mind, it was used. Mm, that kind of sucks. Replay keyframes. Let's see. And here, Space is Minecraft. It's a new command which allows you any objects to be distorted, expanded, etc. Like this. If it's gonna be linked, it's probably not gonna work. I don't know how to resolve it. What do you think is the three biggest advantages from BBS over Blue Western? Keyframe editing, that's a big one. Like you don't need to like it's basically lots of control over the animation and it's much easier to manipulate. Two, less menus. Like you don't have to jump over like 50 tabs if you have, for example, 4 body parts in a sequencer or something like that. Then three, you literally edit the animations within the viewport. That is really powerful. Um, then there's also that's more than three, but what's called camera clips. This is a much powerful system uh, than the current camera fixture system. What it allows to do is basically you have fixed with camera fixtures. You have a fixed amount. Um, camera fixtures you have fixed amount of blocks and they go after another. But with camera clips you have vertical freedom and they can go in any order and they can even intersect on top of each other. Um, 1 second. I made a video about it. You can watch it later. In diversion, BBS will be for everyone. Yes, but not immediately. Like there will be also like early access. So there is only 1 hour left, and it's fixed. Yay! That's gonna be a lot of to do. So replay is done. Well, wait. That's basically it. uh, it looks like I don't need these guys for now. I don't need replays right now either. Who are you? Oh, are you? Wait, what? No, 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 no. Again, replace. Yeah, I'm just gonna. What do you have a problem with? Mario Link. What? That's the wrong one. Excuse me. How about update? No, did it go to another? No, no man. So what about the other ones? They have also. So I for now don't need these guys. Okay, let's see if it compiles. Now, of course, it would be BBS, but it's not gonna be the engine and the mod for Fabric on new versions. And thanks to that, you can make maps. Um, how you do it with Mapit? Yes. When it's done, I love you. Ah, do you mean like when it's done you're gonna love me, or do you ask? Are you asking when it's gonna be done? I said 4 to 12 months. I think that's my estimate. I'm not sure. Okay, there is keyframe factor. So it is. Mm, so I guess I'm going back to keyframes, generic factories, keyframe factories, and I'm gonna put it over here. And for now, I'm gonna comment out this part of the code so that I can come back later, enable back. Sorry for this question, but what's your task for today? I'm trying to make a simple version of the way, basically, whenever I press a key, it would record my actions, and then once I done, I can press another key to basically stop recording the no, play the action. Like when it says 4 to 12 months. Yes, it's a very big range, but I don't know for sure. My hope is that I can do it like stable at 6 months probably, not go beyond that. What about now? Is everything works? Seems like it's compiling. Yay! We fixed all the errors. Now, uh, what I need to do, um, let's see. So actor entity. I probably need here like no. So let's see. So I need the replay uh, from the film replay. The replay. This replay. I need it to work so that I would have like the keyframe properties recorded from here and then applied on the living entity. So at the moment, the way it has to be done is that I press a button in there must be some like server handler. So upon creation, let's see. Now go back to Minecraft to Fabric Wiki. The event. Is that a thing? Nothing was on. Tag block callback event register. World take. World take. Wait, I actually gonna need world take. Server start callback. Server stop callback. these ones are also useful. Fabric API. I think should have a Fabric API. I'll probably need entities. World. It was world tick. Who are you? Why is it deprecated? Yeah, let's go there. Charity comments. Let's see, does it E? What's an E? And tick. Of course, I think you should consider adding a pop-up on first launch, and that can only be closed after like 5 seconds. That says, I'd appreciate if you create a mod in your movie and a link to Patreon. Um, I don't think I'm so like mad about people not crediting the mod. If people gonna like donate and stuff, then I don't have problems with people not crediting. The problem was that basically the more instead of having the model where people would just watch a lot of tutorials and stuff like that and contribute to the server, but if people donate, then it's not a big deal. But the Patreon link is probably a good idea. Where are you from, Macars? I'm not telling. Secret. So you were quitting modding. Quitting as in process or quitted like quit for a long time. Anyways, thanks. So this is where okay, I'm gonna do the very kind of dirty way. Replay, play goes new replay. So at the moment it will be just boolean recording. I'm gonna just like record just here. Take and if this is the recording, replay dot keyframes dot record take entity and groups. So that means take entity as a player. And no, because I don't have, I think means yes. It's a no, means nothing recording. Um, then was what was that event? It was server start callback. Okay, where is it supposed to be? Server lifecycle events. Started. So I guess that's what I'm maybe a no. Think instead of this it should be public static num state would be recording playback idle, I guess. It's idle. No, recording. Things plus plus. Wait, post increment. Whatever. So if it's recording, then it's gonna record. If it's state equals playback, then also take. Do you watch the shows you created on the West mode? Some of them. Hello, Makars. You have cool content. I have a question. Is this a new mod or an engine? It's a new mod. Sasha Gaming. I know. Take player. No. No, it's not player. It's factor basically. So now, upon the event. Hey, hello, crazy boy. How are you doing? Okay, I understood. Thanks for the answer, for reply. No problem. Um, so here I'm gonna be creating a new replay, and then server life cycles. I'm pretty sure that people who know how to mod a fabric probably are cringing with what I'm doing. Amar Blade. I told you that I'm not. It's a secret. Play is equals to null. Then state is equals to idle. Just in case. Take is equals to 0. And actor is equals to null as well. Question: do you understand rational image from Sasha Game 2.0? Yes, I don't understand. Thank you so much for making this new mod. No problem. Um, so state is idle. Basically, I'm gonna copy for now. It's really bad right now, but it probably gonna work. Okay, so I have now. I need a network. Oh, new networking API. Yeah, I know already this about, so just need to see how to send the packet and how to receive a packet. That looks pretty simple. Sending the packets to the game client. So this is how you do it. So you have like a packet byte buffer empty. So you have to fill a buffer and then you receive it like this. Client handler buffer response sender. Client execute. Client target. That's pretty interesting. In 1.12.2 there was a different system. Well, let's see if that works. We'll have two packets, so I need just for now here. It'll be record packet ID and play packet ID. I want Blockbuster version 1.16.5. It's pretty old. There is no way I'm doing that. It's like it's like the same thing if I would make do 1.14.4 or 2.7.10. It's like no point. Would you recommend using BBS or the BBS mod? Well, obviously there's no BBS mod yet, so there's no recommendation to it. They're making for a new version, but no, it's not for it's for Fabric, yeah. As the strongest coder fought the fraud, the king of course forge, he began to open his fork, then Rob's probes shrunk back in fear, then of course said, stand proud and probes, you're strong. It's on colorist programmer. But overall that's pretty cool. The question, do you know who Kyrkos is? Yes, I do know. What do you think of Fabric? Very difficult? It's easier than I expect, to be honest. Record, play. I'm so happy you decided to make this one. Thank you. You should post Patreon link in chat and pin it. It is already pinned. You can you see it? Crazy. So this is packets. Then in it was in the client. No, wrong button. Like here, then I send final player. It was a wait. I need what is the question from a course from Sasha Gaming 2.0. Do you know who is Kirkos Tips, the Ukrainian YouTuber who translates your mod to blockbuster? No, that's not how you say it. Yes, I do know Kirkos. Sasha Gaming 2.0. Okay, back to networking. So says that receiving a packet on the game client. I need to do the first the other thing. Game packet on the server. Client. Okay, let's see this bad boy. Why? Oh, so okay. Who? What do you need? Identifier and packet buffer. So this means BBS mod dot it's play, then empty. Packet by buff empty. Wait, it said literally it's empty. I saw it said empty. Oh, okay. It's buffs, not the buff. The same way. Wait, the other bucket. No. All right. Said also for client register global receiver. What are you, horseman? I said earlier it's a secret. So it's BBS mod. I don't need client handlers yet. So I just need in the main one. Network. And another small question. How do you understand Russian language, or do you translate to reply on Russian questions? I do not. I translate it myself. Like I know he's from Heartland. Yes, about right. So now I need the server one. It's server. It was I need for both of these packets. So it was first play and the handler. Server, player, handler, buff, and response center. So it's 5 A, B, C. Yeah, it works. So it was don't need this, don't need this, server. So it's these guys server. Let's see if I can just copy the signature. Yeah. All right. So for the recording, if boy, this is getting crazy. Uh, Mod name, and it could be for Forge. No, it's gonna be for Fabric. Upgraded production. Will this mod be for Minecraft 1.16.2? What? I mean, like, I understand 1.16.5, but 1.16.2? No. Even more now than usual. It's not Hearthstone, I want to go there. Okay, thank you for replying on my several questions. Good luck with developing the mod for Fabric. Thank you. Nah, the code, my course. Nazi, hello horse. I'm very happy that you have come back to the work. You're cool. Thank you. We ball. Replace here. Um, Probably I don't need, but I'll clean it up here. Probably I should have reset. How much time will it take? About 4 to 12 months. 1.20 has very applicable Lightning Engine updates. Could you elaborate that? Snake Gaming's films, tablets. I heard today earlier that there's something about Lightning Engine. Can you Tell me, like, elaborate what exactly happened there. Probably don't need this. And wait, no. If tick is more than replay with keyframes dot. Wait, how do I make it? Bruh. Keyframes dot get duration? No, wait. I'll need to look up. But for now, I'll just say the 100 ticks. And then I'll stop. So let's play back. So that's how I think. Okay, this is not how you do mod, by the way. Just first thing to make it work. Okay, got it. It's pretty bad in terms, but I would. I'm gonna clean it up after this stream. I just want to make it work at least, so you could see how stuff is. This is play. I think I wanted to record, and for play, Zero Studio. Hi, what's up? Uh, play. So take equals 0. Ooh, actor is equals player. So it says play packet. State is idle. Then tick is 0. State is playback. And um, the actor is I wouldn't get entities. Get closest entities. Yeah, let's do this again. Actor entity dot class. For now, I'm just gonna do the closest. So this to player. My server not execute. Ooh, I think I will need to do it. So I'm just gonna check out it. What's the other one? XYZ. An exception. Get closest to player. Yeah, I think that's get closest player. I get closest player. I don't know. I don't understand how it works. Okay, again. Hmm. Yeah, let's say, I don't know, like 5, 10, 10. What else do you need? Target predict. That's not how it works. What's a target predict? How about any? Reattackable or non-attackable? Like he didn't quit modding. Dude, I did quit modding for like 2.5 years. I just came back. For now, I'm gonna try target predicate default. There I go. I also need a box. What is the box for? So it's intersection. Jesus. Um, box. No, not that kind of box. Box equals new box. What do you need? I hope that BBS is gonna be much better than Blockbuster 1.12.2. Yes, it's gonna be. Okay, we're really close. Wait, is this? So it's 2y y in the box. I understand what the X and Y is for. The engine actually supports no last time I checked. The Nether and the end both null out of the Skylight engine. I don't know what it means. Um so if this actor is not null, then we can play. I think that might be it. I think that's it. Let's see. Will the mod work on search? I hope it will. It's loading. Oh boy, if I messed it up. Then I guess it's another. It's called rerun. Okay, let's see. Oh, I probably also should add message. Let's see. No, that's not it. Wrong place. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna hot swap. Yes, it did. Okay. Ooh. Kinda nervous. Which one was recording? I think. Whoa! Look at this. Yo! It's working! It's working! Yeah. Whoa! It's working! Look at this. Wait. Oh, that's because. Oh! And the yaw, the head thing didn't work, but it's much. Whoa! Such a bad system, but it works. Okay, let's wait, the sneaking didn't work. Hmm. Okay, so there's let's try this. No fall damage either. It's supposed to work. Um, why no sneak? Okay, there are a couple of problems like there is no sneaking, there is no fall damage. Um, what else? Um, so no fall damage, no sneaking. There's something else I already forgot. Bob pursuing dude. No, it's not Bob. Uh, oh, and the head yaw. Okay, let's try just in case. Yaw and head yaw. But the recording is good to know. Yeah, it's basic recording. Oh, that way. That was a problem. Yeah, whatever. Okay, one step at a time. Your name is Basic Patron tier to Bob. No, I think we created a meme. I'm so hyped. Nice. The only thing, the only disadvantage of is that some mods are not gonna be on Fabric, like DecoCraft. Is there DecoCraft for 1.12? I mean, not 12, 20. Of course there's not 12. So, what was that? Okay, I think the problem is that I needed to kind of like record on the client and then also send the replay data to um, from the server to client as well. Mm-hmm. Methinks. Mm. Same thing with um, yeah, there is no sneaking. I guess sneaking is not synchronized as a set flag, but in theory that should do the thing. Or maybe actor entity is not. So flags, track data. My cat already did all this way. It won't take long. Yeah, I think. I'll try it. So sneaking, both on the ground, fall distance. Hmm, let me think about it. How regular will these streams be? Um, I think I'll maybe try every second day, maybe. So I mean not second, every other day, like so. Next, I think. Well, I'll try tomorrow. But I think I also want some time to do that off stream because I think, for example, right now, um, there's like you see there's some problems with it, like the body is not correctly. Um, let's try. I don't understand why it doesn't. So I they can certainly take damage. So if I fall down, I'm supposed to receive damage. Didn't. I think it's the problem here was um that it's applied at the incorrect time. It's supposed to be maybe. Oh, whoa, 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 I think I have an idea why. Well, I mean, what can fix this instead of star heretic? Okay, let's try again because I cannot just do hot swap because it's a different thing. You're so cool. Thanks, Funky Fight. You're so cool too. The West Shirts. Hello. Hey man, how you doing? Naomi, hi, Blue West Shirt, I love you. The real Blue West Shirt, yes, the real Blue West Shirt in the chat. Uh, Perfect scale. Excited to make some BBS tutorials when it's time. Excuse me, I have the monopoly on tutorials. I mean, I'm missing, but okay. Now the moment of truth. Yeah! What's it called? Full damage is fixed. Let's kill this guy. Okay, all bows are killed. Sorry. Okay, so full damage is done. Sneaking, now the sneaking part. Let's see how it works exactly under the hood. Will you add the old or new MacHorse model to BBS mod? I'm not sure, to be honest. Technically, it's just a skin. When will I get monetized in this? When will you get monetized in this channel? This channel was monetized like for a very long time already. Um, I just came out to VB working 1.20 now. With progress. Yeah, it kind of works, but it's not completely works. That's the sad part. There are some things that don't work correctly, like the sneaking. Okay, let's try following. So let's take the code for the closest. Um, this guy basically, and in the client, upon pressing the play button, okay. So it did said sneaking. I know what the problem is. Probably it's not the problem with the server. It's probably the render. Okay, I think it's go back to render, and there must be some pause. Sneaking. There we go. Wait, so first this. This does model. Leaving. Why will I stop a Giga Chad mock horse? He can stop a Giga Chad. Exactly. No, don't! No. Come on, man. Let's see if it's actually sneaking in the client. It's too big. So it was. So then what's the problem? He's in sneaking pose. What the heck is that? What the heck? Who are you? What poses do you have? Standing, falling, slipping, swimming? So does that mean that I have to control it? You write system out printle entirely whoa? Hell yeah, we're back. Glad that you got the replay thing going in only one day. Well, I copied lots of code right now, so can that works? Do you know the south? Yes, I think I know about it, but I didn't use it. Oh, it's fine. Absolutely fine. So it is sneaking, but is it in sneaking pose? So do I need to set also the sneaking pose? Is there like just normal default using tongue? What the heck is that? Oh, it must be probably sniffing, sliding, sitting, shooting, rowing, long jumping, inhaling, fall, digging, dying, croaking. What is the default pose, I wonder then? Yanis, do you know what default pose is for an entity? JRQ. You still decide to make a mod for the new version? Plus, is the question worth writing exclusively in English, or is it possible? You can write in Russian and I would translate it, but I'm not gonna reply in Russian. Why couldn't Crafty do this all along? Time, yes, he had a using tongue, yes. Uh, I think using tongue is for frogs. Yeah, I think Crave has a really busy schedule with university. So pose, wrong pose. There we go, it's standing. Okay, let's see if that actually helps. Maybe check out the idle. It was standing. Yes, thank you. Well, had Griffin, yes, had much schoolwork. That's true. Starting look like yes, first. Yeah, ooh, it's working. Never use fabric nerve 1.4. So far, it's so good. Yeah, the thing is not gonna work. I think still that there's a need to be a way to like more send them the data from the client, not from the server to the client. My course is working. That is not my course. That's a girl, and I don't know what her name is. I know that there are those default skins, but I don't know all of these names. Maybe um No, not. Come on, show me the thing. Okay, I'll just do it myself then. It's entity. They have names. That's Ari, then there's FA. I don't know exactly. McKenna, Noor, Steve, Sunny, and Zuri. So this is not Makar, this is Ari. Ari is talking. So will emoticons esque models will be added? Um yeah, I have plans to do this. Copy path, horse, it was right there, copy path. Where? Where is the path? Yes, but I don't need the path. I wanted to open the other Macari. Yeah. Macari sounds kind of like a League of Legends hero or something. I don't know. There is, I think, Ari. Twerk, yeah. Hello, one Frizzy. Maga one Frizzy. Hi. Mag. Oh, this is my course. My car is real. Yes, the drip is real. Um, I'm not sure about her body. So let's try again. Pay attention to. So this is like this. Yes, the body isn't. I think it's client side only. I need to record the stuff on the client side, then send it to the server, and then keep it on the server, and then is he working on Blockbuster mode? How did you know? It's not Blockbuster mode, it's BBS mode, but basically a new update, if you want to say so. Um, so let's try doing that. I'm gonna try to keep the stream to 3 hours. Or maybe refactor first. I'm not sure. So the renderer was a problem over here with the pose. Okay, so now what I need to do is once I record on the client, then what's called I record on the client the data, all of this like sneak and position and other stuff. Then once I finish decoding and send on the server, so like to start over here, and then wait, maybe so we have client, we have a server. So there are two keybinds: play, play, and record. So once play is this guy, once play is pressed, the client like records all of the keyframes, and then once it's done again recorded, it goes to the server. Then once the play activated, the server launches playback. I don't know what I'm trying. like a playback, and uh, and then the replay data is gonna be sent. This data is gonna be sent to the client. This diagram sucks. To the client. Um, and on the actor is gonna get played both on server and on client. I think that makes sense for me. So first I think I might want to clean up this mess. So what I'm gonna do is film. I'm gonna be like film manager or something. Wait, that's clever. I don't think I explained it well. So it may be very dumb. That mod is gonna be a banger. Oh my god. Oh my god, what does the editor do? No, my god, me and my friends always discuss Blockbuster latest versions, but it will come in T-Launcher? How is T-Launcher even has to do anything with the mod? So, File Manager is gonna be the guy who is gonna be responsible for the... No, you did well, okay. uh, I'm gonna move this to tick server. I'm gonna just clean up a little bit. Then I think this could be just reset. Um, handle play packet. What didn't you like about it? Oh, it's a static. Whatever. I guess static it is. And handle record. Now I can move these things around. And now we have a little bit more cleaner environment. I'm gonna buy posters of my course. I want the chicken nuggets from the my course. Dude. Oh, tired. um, I'm really close to 200 subs. Congrats. Why exactly? Wait, I think I'm lost some messages here. It's making what's successful for 1.20. I think it'll be easier to understand if you name the new models White, Slim, Node instead of Fred, Alex, and Steve. I know you're not there yet, but I know you're not there yet at all, but I just thought of it seeing the skins. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Wide and slim. That's kind of a what's it called? Dehumanizes the models. Oh. Hmm. So let's see if I can turn a replay into a pocket buffer. So pocket buffer create. It's a byte buffer. Remember when on direct box was still a thing? Oh no, not Stingang. Yeah, hashtag Stingang. Yeah, true. Bob and Bobina. I don't think that's how. It's Robert and Roberta. There we go. Bob and Bobina. Yes, Bob and Boba. Very funny. I love my cars. Thanks. Retro Drago. Yes, that's how it's spelled. Um, I need two bytes. We just put bytes before. Get bytes, write bytes. No bytes? Write bytes, write bytes. Ooh, this. Okay, so I need to refactor this. I'm just gonna create a new class here for now. Will this mod be a new version of Blockbuster? Pretty much, yeah. It's not gonna be Blockbuster's mod itself, it's gonna be a newer version. Like, as in, not on a new version, but I mean, besides being it's on a new version, it's gonna be also new. As in, like, it would be a completely different, like, mod. Not completely, but you get what I'm saying. I confused probably so well. So badly, yeah. Um, like recording. Now this. I'm gonna move state here there too. Um, Let me publish BBS on Modrin. I think if there is no exclusivity conflict between CurseForge and the Modrin, if like you can post on both, then I don't see why not. Let the mod be open source to collaborate and help the development of the mod. Once it's gonna be released, I mean like fully done, yes. At least I'm considering it. Alright, it's supposed to be the other way around. Handle record. It's gonna record. And then well, of course, I'm very grateful to you for the wonderful Bavasta model. Thank you. My attention is whether it will come to launcher. I don't know what do you mean like by coming to T launcher. If it's not open source, we can just look down the stream and write it down. Yeah, sure. Okay. What didn't you like about the movie was taken? You crazy? Oh, that's why. So it's closest actor. Yeah, pretty bad. Decided to quickly write it down, and now it's kind of a nightmare. I donated for him. Oh, thank you very much. $1. That's also cool, dude. Don't worry about it. Thank you. It was a state. Gonna have to go to this match to let you card. Congratulations. Thank you. I feel like I already read this card, but it's okay, I guess. Indian rupees, 82 rupees. Yeah, that's a lot. Thank you. So record, that's a little bit simplified, but now I need also the recorder on the client. Is there a player tick? Client tick, player tick? No. World tick. That could be useful. Wait, where are we back to Minecraft Modding Plus newer Minecraft version? What did I miss? You missed the announcement. There is a latest. Check out the latest video. It's and world and world take. What? Client take. No, no, and world take that register. August stream. And a good day. Thank you. You too. I mean, not stream, but like a good day. Um. So world. I have to go. See you. See you. What time is it right now? It's 4 p.m. almost. Hmm. Let's see. Take no, it's not exactly what I need. Think what I should do is add method so get is yo, my man, something about the Western 1.20? Big fan. Thanks. So it's recording, then you know what? Recording that client tick. Gonna make a such thing. Maybe server tick. Nightingale, hi. Hey, how are you doing? What time is it right now? 1 p.m.? No, not 1 p.m. 4 p.m. As in 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Mm. So once client packet is same 4 p.m. Yes, 4 p.m. Now you're gonna start like, narrowing it what's called down to countries, huh? Current state, so it's idle, then I'm gonna start record find.player. Oh, it's inside a while, but I don't need it. Use client, and then I send. Wait, that was correct. I do it inside a while. Now I need to convert the replay from the recording. Yeah, it does create new one. First to convert to data. Okay, so data, I think I had some thing types. Yeah, probably this is what I need. Feel like it could be possible that it's gonna run out in the same problem with max packet size. So I would need probably to increase max packet size at the beginning. Yo. Yeah, I'm gonna close everything for now. Then again. Yes, max packet size. Robust, there's great stamina. Yeah, because there's a lot of data. It's packet buffer. You should be from Switzerland, Sweden, Stockholm, Spain, Madrid. Wow, there's two Madrids. Warsaw, Nigeria, Lagos, Norway, Oslo, Netherlands, Morocco, Austria, Belgium, Congo, France, Germany, Italy. You list every country with Russian speakers? Oh, that's a big brain move. So let's see what would we receive on the other end? Quantum project. Sure. I'll allow that. Let's see. Handle playback. No, record back. We need here a new implementation, so it's a buffer. Let's system out. So south, buff capacity. Thank. Okay, let's see if it works. Probably listed all countries that time zone. Yeah, I think that's more true than the other one. Okay, let's see if the sending works and if I can. Wait, no, what I had to do is take the bytes. What the heck is an array? Can you just answer where you're from question? I mean, that's the point. I told you it's a secret. It's like, because I don't want to answer. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Hopefully that works. So where is it? It's a you problem. Same thing. Ah, index out of. Let's see where it's come from. I don't think I did something wrong. It's just like a hunch. Well, at least it didn't crash the game entirely. Hmm. Excuse me? Oh, bro, wrong packet. No wonder no wonder these guys don't work. So I need to change. Yeah, let's see. Can you add Fortnite mod, please? No. Yo, look at this matters. Yeah, I'm gonna 66. So there's another. Invalid format. Your input stream has an invalid element. South buff. Bytes. Don't add Fortnite. Buster coming to Fortnite? GTA VI. What's a GTA? What's a Gutavi? Who's Gutavi? Funky Fight is doing such stuff in Fortnite. Fortnite member for Battle Pass. Not the cringe AAA. Yeah, fun stuff. BS1. Oh, I think I know what's the problem. I know the problem. Um, what I need to do is to buff int length, buff read int length, and then in the client, buff write int bytes length. That should work, I think. Bitari add Minecraft to BBS Studio instead. You know what? Didn't I do that already? Um, I'm a programmer, I can count. Exactly, that's why I have a mighty calculator pinned to my like next to Windows Explorer. How you dare read in my int? It's not your int, it's our int. Did it work? Let me guess, too big. No. Huh. So first I write int, then I read int, and then I read byte array. Weird. Pretty sus. Let's see. 17 of 59. These are the numbers. Remember it, guys. That's the numbers. Now let's see what's next. 3059. Wait, what was the... No, I don't remember what the other one was. But 66, 83 still. Something is wrong. And I'm not sure what. Okay, let's try again. Okay, again. 2409. 66, 83, 409. So again. So it's 24, 109. 24, 109. What the heck? I don't understand. Why did the bytes are different? So the entire data is scrambled for some reason. Okay, let's do this. Buff. Peace. Peace, indeed. Let's try again. Fast is the wrong one. Limit, I think. What about height index? No. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I don't think this is entertaining anyone. So 13, 13,709. And then 66, 60. Oh, wait. How much is that data? 1638 for that is Dean. My cars, I love you. What's up, dude? Writer index is 13. Oh, max capacity. So it's still 66, 83. Whoa, 49, oh, 26. It looks like one integer is missing. Am I supposed to write in the other direction? What the hell? No, wait. No, I pressed the wrong button. Looks like it's one. Trigger Lina. Hey, not safe. Wow. Is that how you? Is that what the word means? Wow. Trigger Lina. I have a question. Is there going to be a version of Blockbuster for the newer version of the game, like 120? I wonder if you gonna read. Yes, that's what it's doing right now. If you're gonna read the description of the stream, what you gonna find out? Okay, fun continues. I wrote it back in the wrong. Let's see what's the problem now. Okay, that didn't help. Looks like the first byte for some reason is not getting written. Oh, 617, 609. Nice. Then bytes 66, 83, 40, 49, 0, 26, and so on. And here buff. Sixty-six, 83. Oh no! That's what the problem is. No, wait. I just need to read. Bruh. This is so dumb. That's what the problem is. So again, uh, want to make this wallet work with other mods, or doesn't like before? I think no. What do you exactly mean work with other mods? I think what you're thinking about is more of a utopia. Like it's not going to work that well. You can't just make everything work like that's what this replay mode is for. If you want stuff to work. Of course, what's up, man? Hey, Zach. Okay, let's see if this works. Time out. Wait. Still incorrect me. Write byte array. And write byte array and read byte array. There we go. Are we doing some um some mistakes? This what? I can't tell, to be honest. I probably saw it. Can't wait for the new mode, man. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like it did work. So we did send from. Then what I do is recording, that replay equals replay. And then here, recording, that replay, no. Means it does it work like a car or web mod? No, it's not gonna work. I think that's what replay mode is for. Yeah, also another cool thing about Fabric is that it has replay mode. Mm. The ones I received here. Oh wait, I probably need to. Hmm. Again, what you're doing? Okay, how is progress? Well, there are some problems. Plan making a series Minecraft I first want to do it with Blockbuster, but the world I want to record everything is on 1.20. I'm trying to degrade it. So lumber blades, sample. I guess it's Turkish. This will be lifesaver. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? Hey, Alice. Hey, Else. It's going alright. It's fine. Okay, I think I'll wrap up. Um, my brain is not working. um, like I need to do some not arrest, to rest a bit, and then I'm gonna come back off stream. Before I go, what I wanted to show um is basically BBS Studio, so you had like some idea of where it's going. So basically, this is BBS Studio. It's the basically a prototype for the mod. You finally update the mod. No, it's not the mod. It's the separate application in Minecraft. But basically, it has this kind of like an editor. It has so basically here I'm gonna show you some stuff. For example, 6.8. No, not 3. Oh, I didn't know you can. Whoa, does this mean I can do the same thing? No. Ah, no man. Your brain only works if someone donates. No, that's not how it works. I think people, even if they exhausted, their brain would work. Anyways, um, so how it works? So there are multiple editors. So here is the camera editor. These guys basically they set up the way the movement works. Basically, the path. Then there is also audio. You can see the waveform.
Hello there, my name is McHorse, and dang, wrong channel. Anyways, it's warm, and Andrew is basically done with the minimal Teletubby land setup. The wind turbines still haven't came. The shipment is in
I'm so over the moon. That's so sweet.
You guys are still obsessed over Despacito? Like, come on, guys. I just discovered a show Count Brownie with 69 seasons of making brownies. I'm sure after watching a couple of seasons, I'd be able to make my own brownies.
Cool stuff, Dipsy. Here's what I think about this episode. I should try dating.
What? Say what?
Basically, as you can see, it has like really there's like so much motion you can do, and there is like the list of actors which you can edit. Like you can see their appearance. This is the cool part. So for example, let's say I'm gonna make a test scene. And it really has a cool way of doing things. So for example, I'm gonna just have a camera. I'm gonna add an actor here. For example, I don't know, Tinky Wink or something. First of all, I can control the character out from here. I can change and see different perspectives. Then, besides like, for example, I can literally like, for example, I control him. I change his position. For example, like here, I pressed I, and then he changed his position. Then beside like moving around and stuff, you can also like, if model supports, you can move the eyes or the head using this kind of like mouse control. I also have like for the fourth, what's called? For the fourth kind of like movement control, the mouth. So you can like control. Then, and beside that, there's like you can manipulate that stuff with the keyframes. So this way, you can like go and do like wacky stuff. Beside that, you can just record the movement from here. Okay, just to be clear, this is not a mod. This is what I made, and now I'm trying to do it in the mod plus extra features. Just to be clear. Can be BS using on multiplayer. This is a single player tool, but I think I would make BBS be at least work in terms of like playing the scene. Yeah, the position is also keyframes. Then you can like just do, for example, so for example, I'm gonna Control V and remove that. I can like, for example, that it's not more done. I'm just showing how it would be done when it's gonna be done. And then, coolest of them all is the ability to, like, for example, pause. You can have like presets, and then like and just like and there is also what's called different uh, interpolations. So yeah, it's gonna be so much faster to animate, and like besides being faster, like you have more abilities in terms of like having the eyes and stuff. You can like move the same thing here. Um, you can like move around. And insert keyframes as you need to. And it's fully undo redo working. Can you animate different limbs with a small offset, or do you need to animate it like in Big West now? What do you mean with small offset? Um, By the way, if you, for example, have it in the middle, you can just take and create a new one. Maybe like as you can see, there is like two different animations. So if you want, you can like kind of like so say like you can exaggerate the movement. How many visual keyframes per limb? No, there you can keyframe color. No, it's these are not exactly keyframes per. It is keyframe per property. For example, this is a texture property, so you can animate him turning like into chocolate, and then without chocolate. Same with like color. Say crazy stuff. Remember you move after a few ticks, while the right arm is still moving, the other arm starts to move, you know? If you mean like, no, there is no such thing. I think I know what you mean. You mean like if there's an individual, um, kind of like, you have like two, they're independently animated. Um, I had an idea to fix that to add a second pause channel so that you can have on one, you animate one set of things, and on the other ones you can like animate another arm, and this way you can have like an extra layer of animation, kind of like I did with the second rotation, for example. I'm gonna show. Um, so let's say here, I'm gonna reset the pause, and there is a second, like for example, if you want to like change, for example, if you do it like this, then they are on the same axis because of the gimbal lock. You see, this is the same thing as this, basically. But this is a second, it allows you to like fix this thing. See, like it animates and so on, like this is this Y, and this is local Y, another set. Individual keyframe per film. Yes, it's not a thing here, sadly. I don't know how exactly to make it work. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go because it's almost 4 hours stream. That's probably the longest stream, and I'm gonna clean up the thing with the. Oh, that's wrong one. I'm going to clean up here with the whole recording thing. I'm gonna finish up the. Also, to properly have the with head and yaw and body yaw, so it will be synced fine. And I'm going to also like schedule another stream. And plan for the next stream basically. Anyways, thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate like that's much more people than usually watch me. Usually it's like 6 to 12. Today it was 80. That was insane. Yeah, I know these streams are not exactly of a educational slash entertaining quality, but the main point of it is more of a kind of like proof that it's a serious commitment and not like there was like some people were already there was a funny comment. Let me show you. Some dude basically, let me screenshot it and then like erase parts so you wouldn't get the, well, bullied. But I just want to show the comment, the content of it. Basically, there was like some dude and he was like, so basically that I'm making it for just for attention. I love you, no homo. Love you, no homo too. Um, so I am serious about it, and if the funding plans is not gonna go well, I'm not gonna quit. I'm just gonna slow down. Regardless of that, thank you again for watching, and like maybe 30 streams, and maybe we'll have like some or less working version for early access. But 30 streams, that's a lot, and if every one of those are gonna long like this, that may that's like 40 hours. No, 30 streams is 120. Right. Wait, where is my? So it's 4 hours streams and 30 120. Dude, I never read bad comments because they always bring me down. Oh, that's cool that you have a discipline to not read those. That's a rude comment. Yeah. I mean, I'm more interested like how is that even like occurred in this dude's head anyways. Let's not talk about it. That was awesome. We got a little bit of work done. And thank you. So if you guys don't have any questions, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wait for like a minute or two. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a very revolutionizing thing if BBS Studio would be able to arrive to Minecraft. Like, if you had the no questions, be saved by. Okay, I get it. No questions. All right then. Bye.